guys, with me again, Nadine Graciela Putri with student number 2413042058. And today I would like to tell you about the book I recently read, and this book called as It's and With Us from Colin Hoover. This is a first-selling New York Times best-selling author, which is this book is very popular and there. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a romantic, a passionate, a green flag story, this book is not for you because it's And With You from Colin Hoover. It's talk about story of Lily Bloom, a young woman who is trying to build a new relationship after a difficult or traumatic family environment, especially after witnessing her father after abusing her mother for a whole life. And in Boston, she met Ryle Kincaid, a successful neurosurgeon who is smart, charming, confident, and blah blah blah. And the relationship started off intense and passionate, like a typical Western movie, as we know. And yeah, but over time, Ryle darker side begins to show, and at this point the main point of the story, Lily faced with a painful decision, which is stay in a toxic relationship that hurts her or break the cycle of abuse that exists in her family for a whole year. And the things become even more complicated when at last Lily's first love, a person she met next to her home, a person which is homeless, a person, yeah, like that, reappears as someone who is represent as a healthier or a more stable kind of love, a definitely green flag after all. And for me, the strangeness of this book is feel so real, especially for us a teenage. Maybe I don't really know, but yeah, it doesn't romanticize a toxic relationship, but instead of show the toxic relationship in good way, this book shows that how abuse can exist even in a relationship that seems perfect and healthy. And yeah, the character is complex, especially for Ryle, and he is not a simply bad person or good person, not just like a black or white, but definitely a gray person, a gray morally person, which makes the story feels more realistic and emotionally confusing for the readers, for me. And yeah, the most importantly, the emotional impact is very strong in book, in the movie, and really makes you reflect on what love should look like. And for me, after the strangeness, this book have like a weakness that some part feels really dramatic or slightly forced, as yeah, the pace is uneven, the some part is quietly moving too quietly, and yeah, others dragging a bit. And at last, as a character can feel most like too good to be true, like he is too good to exist, he is too green flag, which is for me not realistic. And yeah, if you looking for a book like this, quite red flag book, maybe yeah, this book is definitely worth reading if you have a free time, especially if you wanted to see a meaningful and thought-provoking book. However, if you looking for a light and comforting read, this is not for you. This is definitely not for you. And bye bye.